Hello and welcome back to the Off-Grid family. Today, me and Lily are going to be making lemon curd. Now, you've never tried lemon curd before, have you? No? But I've tried lemon curd, but only in the jar. We've never actually made it. So we're going to try that today as a bit of an experiment to see if it actually works. Well, we know it works, but see whether we can actually make it. Yeah? So let's show you what you need. Come on. Okay, we've started already. So you need fresh lemons. Bottled lemon juice will not work for this. So you need, we've
grated lemons.
Grated the lemon.
You don't want the white part though.
Yeah, we don't want the white part. And we're going to be cutting these in half and we're going to be juicing them. In this bowl here, we have got 2 full eggs and 4 egg yolks. And we use the whites for something else.
Maybe like scrambled eggs or something.
Yeah. We've got 1 cup of sugar. And you also need unsalted butter, which is in the sun softening up because it was too hard. I forgot to take it out. A sieve, so when you strain the lemon juice, you don't get all the little bits. A saucepan, and you need obviously jars that have been sterilised. These are just my working pots for waste. So that's all you need. Right.
Okay, never mind.
Satisfaction?
Yeah.
Okay, this is our lemon rind. And we're going to...
Not rind!
Lemon...
Out skin.
Peel. Lemon skin. Lemon zest. Lemon... something, the outside of the lemon. And we're going to be mixing that with the sugar. So we've got a clean jar there. Clean pot. And then we're
Can
putting
I
that
mix
in
it,
there.
please?
Yeah, and then we're going to put that in there. And then Lily's going to mix that all in together.
I'll show you to mix it.
The reason you were going to mix it together rather than just clump it all in is because we want the juice, we want the flavour of the lemon to mix all in with the sugar. Now you can put it in a blender and mix it up, but quite frankly I can't be bothered to get the blender out. Yeah, so Lils will do that.
Yes, I will.
Okay, do you want to show everyone what it looks like now?
Like that.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay guys, so we didn't have enough butter, so we're just going to put the whole thing in. How much was it, Mummy?
That's just over ½ pound of butter.
But how much do you need to make it a pound?
A pound of butter.
Is... How much is a pound of butter?
450 grams.
450 grams is 1 pound of butter. So if you guys have that much, then you can make this recipe.
Or you can just wing it like we do.
Yeah. Wing it like when you do it. Wing it like when you're doing your eyeliner.
Right, we're going to chop this up like this, girls. So you're going to, where I Mummy scored it.
I'm going to then cut it up.
Cut it.
So into little squares?
Yeah, into little squares, okay? I'll let you do that.
So,
Zoom in a bit.
I'm going to do...
Oh, I've zoomed in too much.
I always do that. And
Okay.
can I grab the butter with my fingers?
Yeah, you can grab it with your fingers. Can I just roll up your sleeves though, sweet?
Yes, you can.
So, next bit, we are going to roll the lemons because they're easier to juice. And then we're going to cut, I'm going to cut them in half and Lily then will squeeze them to get the juice out. And we need about 3/4 of a cupful of lemon juice. I don't know how much we're going to get out of this, but we're going to give it a go. Woohoo! If the things are in your way, just move them out the way if the eggs are in your way.
No, they're okay.
Press down quite firmly because it will break everything up.
Yeah.
We normally wouldn't do this with fruit because it makes it go off quicker.
But that's what we need to do with this.
That's what we need for this.
Yeah, I do need to move them eggs. Move them eggs,
And when you're
bro.
done with me, if you pass them to me, then I'll chop them and then put them on the plate ready for you to juice.
I think this one's nearly done. I'm just rattling. I think that's done. It's squishy enough.
Okay. Oh yeah, good girl.
So small, baby. This woman doesn't work out for nothing. I'm joking.
Just hope you like lemon curd at the end of it.
Oh, I have to. Otherwise I've just wasted all these energy muscles for nothing. Oh, Just be careful when you're cutting the lemons because you can cut yourself. Because if you're putting enough force into it, you can hit yourself.
Okay, so you want the juice to fall in there and everything else to go into that pot, okay? And then if you...
So I squeeze it into the sieve though.
Yeah.
Oh, I need more mussels. Future Dad, you need mussels for this.
Hey, do you want me to do some?
No, I think I'm okay. If you just want to get them and see if I've got...
I'll wait until the end.
Okay. Because I just want to make sure I have got all the juice out. So we don't want to waste any juice arena. I'm doing good though, aren't I? Go, go.
You're doing fantastic.
Oh. Maybe I'm not doing the greatest.
You are, you're doing great. So that is all you need to make lemon curd. 5 simple ingredients: butter, lemon juice.
Not bottled though.
No, exactly. 2 whole eggs and 4 egg yolks. And then...
some sugar and some lemon skin.
Yeah.
Grated lemon skin.
Okay, now we need to put it all together. Okay, for our next step, we need to get our eggs into a bowl. Do you know, I might leave them in that bowl, Lils.
Okay.
And then add the sugar into there and mix it all up. Well, actually, you can
Sugar
add
and skin.
Yeah, you could add that into there and then mix it up.
Okay.
So that's Lily's job.
And we also needed a whisk.
Yeah, we've got a whisk.
Yeah, I was just saying to the people.
To the people on the screen.
Yeah.
Okay, let's move that out of the way.
Can we get I'll use a knife because we need to get all of the stuff out.
Okay, so mix it all in.
It's going to be hard at first because of the things haven't popped. If you pop them, it gets easier.
Okay, so this is not your conventional mixing bowl.
No, get like an actual mixing bowl because it's harder to get around the edges with this.
Yeah, but the thing is, what we do, you see, these, instead of just throwing the plastic out, we like to recycle them.
Because we want to save the turtles.
So just doing using it just as pots to put rubbish in, peelings when you're making a fruit salad, things like that.
Make sure that's fully mixed.
Planting. So let's have a go.
Sorry, I interrupted there. I think I did a pretty good job.
I think you did a fantastic job.
Yay! Mummy approved. Can I try some? No, this is what I was going to say, can I try some?
What's next?
I don't know, it's either the lemon juice or the butter.
You want a non-stick saucepan and
lemon juice.
And your lemon juice.
So get like a spatula.
Get it out.
Careful of burning yourself because obviously you'll have the jars.
Yep. Caution, caution, caution. Okay, and this. So we're going to add the sugar.
I moved my hand as soon as you put the lighter there because I'm scared.
The sugar and the egg yolk is going to go in.
Is it your spatula? Yeah, get your spatula because that's a terrible noise. There you go.
Thank you.
I'm the assistant.
My beautiful assistant.
You're beautiful.
Okay. Then Lily is going to add the lemon juice.
Freshly squeezed. Careful.
Look at that. Pour in the lemon juice.
Oh, careful. You just splashed it.
Okay. And
Yeah.
I'm going to mix it.
Professional pourer.
Okay. Right, so what we're going to do now is we're just going to keep on stirring this until it thickens up a little bit.
And it will get like a darker colour.
Okay, fab. And we're going to scrape the bottom to make sure that it doesn't burn. This can take about 5 minutes. When it coats the back of your spoon
Or spatula.
or spatula, whatever, that's when you know that it's done. See, it's not coating, it's just coming off.
That's when it's not done yet.
Yeah. So What's the heat on? Heat's
You
fine.
do need to make sure you're using a rubber spatula because of otherwise.
I could use a wooden spoon, I suppose.
Yeah, but I think it would be better to use that.
I don't want metal because it all scrapes the bottom of your saucepan.
Yeah.
Okay, now we're going to add the butter. Lils, do you want to add the butter when Mummy stirs? Can you get round?
Yeah, I can get round. I'm just scared.
Just keep on adding it.
Try not to splash it because obviously that won't end well.
Do add the butter, and this will thicken it up, and it will also add a nice
all the butter
flavour to it. Yeah, all the butter.
I want to move it around now because I'm going to burn myself. Thank you very much. Hurt myself. Careful, kids. Over 18.
Okay, so the butter now has melted. Now, if you're going to use this straight away, you can get some cling film, put it over the top so it doesn't form a skin, and that let it cool down to ready to use in cakes or whatever. So these are our sterilised jars.
We have mixed the lemon curd a little bit more because it wasn't getting thick enough. So we mixed it, I mixed it a little bit more when Mummy got the jars ready.
Okay, what we're going to do is I'm going to pour it into here to make it a little bit easier.
And be careful when you're doing that because it can splash.
Don't think we have got enough sterilised jars.
I don't think so either.
Looked a lot less in the saucepan.
Careful though because of
Let's
the
go.
edges.
Wow, I really didn't think we'd
Have enough.
have enough. That's perfect. That's the first time that's ever happened. And if anyone's watched any of the videos before where I've made jam and marmalade and stuff,
It's gone everywhere.
That's an understatement, but yes.
Everywhere.
It's gone everywhere. At least with, oh no, I spoke too soon. At least with this, most of it's gone in the jar.
However you spell that word.
Okay, so what we're going to do now is pop the lids on.
And then have it on toast later.
Once these have cooled down, these will store in the fridge for about 2 to 3 weeks.
That's a long time.
They don't last as long as other things that can be canned, but to be honest with you, I don't think it's going to last that long.
How are you touching that so easily? I just burnt my hand a little bit. So now we have got lemon curd. Well,
yeah,
almost lemon curd. It just needs to go in the fridge.
Well, we need to wait for it to cool down, and then it goes in the fridge.
Yeah.
But one of those jars are going to be probably consumed today. So yeah, that's all you need to do basically. 5 ingredients, not many steps, really, really easy to make. You know, if you're making hampers up for people, that is a perfect, quick and easy thing to do. Okay, so there you have your lemon curd. Hope you like the video. If you do like the video, please subscribe and give us a thumbs up.
Yep.
And we hope to see you again soon. Bye.
Bye.